Psalm 46 verse 10. Be still, and know that I am God. A reminder to slow down and reflect on God's power and presence. Lamentations 3 verses 22 to 23. Because of the Lord's great love we are not consumed, for his compassions never fail. They are new every morning, great is your faithfulness. Each new day is an opportunity for fresh hope. Proverbs 4 verse 23. Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Reflection starts with examining the state of your heart. Philippians 4 verse 8. Whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure. Think about such things. Train your mind on what is good and godly. Isaiah 26 verse 3. You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast, because they trust in you. Reflection brings peace when it's rooted in trust. Psalm 119 verse 105. Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path. Let Scripture guide your decisions and thoughts. 2 Corinthians 13 verse 5. Examine yourselves to see whether you are in the faith, test yourselves. Self-reflection keeps your walk with God aligned. James 1 verses 22 to 23. Do not merely listen to the word. Do what it says. Reflection should lead to action and transformation. Romans 12 verse 2. Be transformed by the renewing of your mind. True change begins with the way you think. Colossians 3 verse 2. Set your minds on things above, not on earthly things. Daily reflection recenters your focus on eternal truths.